Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Mother Language Day 2024. Every year, International Mother Language Day is observed on 21st February. The day aims to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote multilingualism. The theme of the International Mother Language Day celebration 2024 is Multilingual Education, a pillar of intergenerational learning. Notably, multilingual education not only promotes inclusive societies but also aids in preserving non-dominant, minority, and indigenous languages. Let us now look at the background. International Mother Language Day was proclaimed by the General Conference of the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, in November 1999. The idea to celebrate International Mother Language Day was an initiative of Bangladesh. The UN General Assembly welcomed the proclamation of the day in its resolution of 2002. On 16 May 2007, the United Nations General Assembly called upon member states to promote the preservation and protection of all languages used by peoples of the world. By the same resolution, the General Assembly proclaimed 2008 as the International Year of Languages. Multilingual and multicultural societies exist through their languages, which transmit and preserve traditional knowledge and cultures sustainably. Linguistic diversity is increasingly threatened as more and more languages disappear. Globally, 40% of the population does not have access to an education in a language they speak or understand. Nevertheless, progress is being made in multilingual education with growing understanding of its importance, particularly in early schooling, and more commitment to its development in public life. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, in which year was the International Mother Language Day first proclaimed by UNESCO? 1999, 2000, 2007 or 2008? Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.